a snowman, 1, 2, 3. Roll the snow, big and round. Put it gently on the ground. Laughing, singing, full of cheer. Winter's our favorite time of year. One big ball, that's his tummy. 2 small arms, oh so funny. 3 round buttons, shiny and bright. Our snowman's looking just right. Grab a carrot for his nose. 2 black stones, that's how it goes. Find a scarf, red, soft and long. Let's all sing the snowman song. Give him mittens, blue and neat, and a hat to warm his head and feet. One big ball, that's his tummy. 2 small arms, oh so funny. 3 round buttons, shiny and bright. Our snowman's looking just right. Clap your hands, 1, 2, 3. Stamp your boots so happily. Twirl around and laugh out loud. Let's show our snowman to the crowd. Snowflakes falling on his hat. He's the jolliest snowman, imagine that. One big ball, nice and round. 2 stick arms wave all around. 3 round buttons, shiny and bright. Good night, snowman, sleep tonight. Tomorrow's sun will make him gleam till next year's snowy dream.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more.